Hello.
Hello,
Hi. Hi, and how are you?
I'm Grace. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. So, what did you do today?
I study.
Mhm. Your extra class?
Yes, my class in school
Oh, okay. And how was it?
is have a bit problem because my internet connections is not good.
Oh, no. So, how are you going to fix it?
I don't know, but now it's okay.
All right, understand. Okay, so are you ready now to start our class?
Yes,
Can you still remember what was our last topic?
yes, it's pollutions.
Very good. We talk about pollution. So let's continue. All right, for a moment. Can you see the book now?
Yes,
Hmm. All right. So now let's continue our activity about pollution. So grade 8, unit 7, pollution. So this was your last activity. You write true, false, or no information. So for tonight, we are going to have another activities about pollution. So we have pictures from letters A to H, and we have words or phrases in numbers 1 to 8. So there are different types of pollution. Write each type under a picture. So as you can see, there are underlines on each letter. So you have to choose in numbers 1 to 8 the types of pollution and beside the letter. Did you get it?
yes,
Let's start. You know how to write on the screen, right?
yes,
Okay. So we have in number 1, water pollution. Number 2, land or soil pollution. Number 3, air pollution. Number 4, noise pollution. Number 5, thermal pollution. Number 6, light pollution. Number 7, radioactive pollution. And number 8, visual pollution. So what kind or what types of pollution these pictures are?
I'm done.
Okay. Now, can you please read your answers?
A is radioactive pollution.
Mm-hmm.
B, noise pollution.
Mm-hmm.
C, visual pollution. D is thermal pollution. E, water pollution. F, land pollution. G, light pollution. And H, air pollution.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's see if you got all the different types of pollution. So number one, it's radioactive pollution. Very good. Lum- Letter B, it's noise pollution. Letter C, it's visual pollution. Letter D, it's thermal pollution. Letter E, it's water pollution. Letter F, it's land or soil pollution. Letter G, it's light pollution. And letter H, it's air pollution. So as you can see, you got all the correct answers. Good job. What about in Vietnam, Han, or in your city? Which type of pollution is really severe? What type
Maybe is air pollution.
air pollution? Mhm. Because of what specifically?
Cities have many people and all of them has vehicle and during the all the time it have many vehicle this I don't know how to describe.
Just try.
It's that many pollutions outside the air.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's that's sad. Well, anyways, let's continue. Pollution. So we have numbers 1 to 8, and you can see it has underlines again. So complete the sentences with the types of pollution. Are you okay by just reading this, or do you want to write your answer?
I
Read.
can read this.
Yes, okay, let's start.
One, when thermal pollution happens, the water temperatures in stream, river, lakes, or ocean changes.
Mm-hmm. Number 2. I will check it after.
Yes,
Mhm.
air pollution occurs when the atmosphere contains gases, dust, or fumes in harmful amount.
Uh-huh. Number
3. When radiation goes into the lungs, air, or water, it's called radioactive pollution. 4.
mhm.
Too much use of electric lights in cities may cause light pollution. 5. Water pollution is the contaminations of lakes, rivers, oceans, or groundwater, usually by human activities. 6. Soil pollution happens when human activities destroy the Earth's surface. 7. Noise pollution occurs because there are too many loud sounds in the environment.
Okay, hold on.
It
Loud sounds.
loud sounds
Okay, for the last time. Sounds.
sounds.
Very good. All right, continue.
It the size of too many telephones poles, advertising billboards, overhead power lines, or shop signs make
I'm sorry, I didn't hear it clearly. Can you read it again? Can you please
its
continue?
visual
It's, I'm sorry. Can you please repeat?
Can you hear me? It the size of too many telephone poles, advertising billboards, overhead power lines, or shop signs may cause visual pollution.
Hold on. Shop signs.
Shop signs,
Okay, one more time. Signs.
size,
Hold on. For the last time. Signs.
size.
Hold on. Okay, so let's check your work. So number one, when thermal pollution happens, the water temperature in streams, rivers, lakes, or oceans, again repeat after me, changes.
Change
Number two, air pollution occurs when the atmosphere contains gases, dust, or fumes in harmful amounts. Number three, when radiation goes into the land, air, or water, it is called radioactive pollution. Number four, too much use of electric lights in cities may cause light pollution. Number five, water pollution is the contamination of lakes, rivers, oceans, or groundwater, usually by human activities. Number six, land or soil pollution happens when human activities destroy the Earth's surface. Number seven, noise pollution occurs because there are too many loud sounds in the environment. And number eight, the sight of too many telephone poles, advertising billboards, overhead power lines, or shop. Hello?
hello.
I'm sorry, the Zoom got out. All right, so yeah, you got all the correct answers. Good job. So we have another one. Vocabulary. Complete the table with appropriate verbs, nouns, and adjectives. For example, verb to poison, noun, poison, adjective is poisonous. So can you do numbers 2 to 6?
I rise.
Um, it's okay if you just read this. I can follow. Are you ready?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Number two. Yes. Number two is contaminate.
Mm-hmm. Please read it also.
Contaminations, contaminant, and contaminated.
Again, contaminated.
Contaminated.
Very good. This one.
To pollute, pollutions, pollutant, and polluted.
Hold on. What is your answer number three?
Is pollutant. ANT
Again, pollutant.
pollutant.
One more time.
Pollutant
Number four.
is
I'm sorry, did not hear it clearly. Again.
is polluted.
Again, polluted.
Polluted.
Very good. The next one.
To die, dead.
Dead.
I don't know. Am I correct in pronunciations?
Can you spell it out?
DEATH.
Okay, again. Please repeat after me. Death.
Death.
One more time.
Death.
Very good. And continue.
The last is death.
Very good. And let's move to the last number.
To damage. Damage and damage.
A very good. Damage. Good job. So you've got all the correct answers. Very good. Okay. Now we have another one. Complete the sentences with the words from the table in. You do not need to use all the words. The first letter of each word has been provided. Now we have numbers 1 to 6 and the first letter is already here. So what you just have to do is to just complete each words, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So do you want to just read this or do you want to write the answer?
I want to write first.
Okay. while you're answering, I want to read this for you too. The the blank chemical waste is dumped into the river. Number two, do you know what blank causes air pollution? Number three, the blank fish are floating in the water. Number four, don't drink that water, it's blank. Number five, the acid rain has caused blank to the trees in this area. And number six, if we blank the air, more people will have breathing problems. Ouch.
I'm done.
Uh-huh. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Number one, poisonous. Number two, pollutants. Number three, dead. Number four, contaminated. Number five, damage. And number six, pollute. Very good. Now it's your turn to read this.
One, the poisonous chemical waste is dumped into the river. Two, do you know what pollutants cause air pollution? Three, the dead fish are floating in the water. Four, don't drink that water, it's contaminated. Five, the excess rain has caused damage to the trees in this area. Six, if we pollute the air, more people will have breathing problems.
Okay, very good. Please repeat this word.
Chemical.
Again, repeat after me. Chemical. Chemical. Hello? Hello, Anne. I can't hear you. Are you still there? Did you got out from Zoom?
No,
Oh, maybe mine. Sorry. Okay, again, please repeat this word.
chemical.
Very good. It's chemical, okay? So we
Yes,
have here, we have cause and effect. Decide which sentence in each pair of sentences is a clause, is a cause, and which is an effect. Write C for cause or E for the effect next to each sentence. So do you know what is cause and effect?
yes.
Can you tell me what is cause? What is
Cause
cause?
is the reasons why make something.
And what about the effect?
Effects.
Again, effect.
Effect.
What is that?
If the consequence.
Yeah, that's good too. So cause, so it's what do you call this? You're correct. Cause is the reason why this thing happened, and effect is the thing that happened because of the cause, of course. So here are some words and phrases you can use to signal the cause of a problem. So we have because or since plus the cause. Can you please read the example?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Please read this.
Yes. One, people throw
Uh,
litter on the
hold,
ground.
hold on. Can you please read the example first? Here.
Yes. Examples, because since the water is polluted, the fish are dead.
Mm-hmm. We also have due to or because of plus something. Can you please read this too?
The fish are dead due to or because of the polluted water.
Mm-hmm. And effect, here are some words and phrases you can use to signal the effect of a problem. We have so plus cause. Please read the example.
Fish are dead.
Number this one. To cause something or to lead to something or to result in something. For example,
The polluted water causes or results in the
results.
death of the fish. Results in the death of the fish.
Okay. And we also have the last one, to make somebody, I'm not sure about this, or something do something. For example, please read.
The polluted water makes the fish die.
Okay, so we have boxes after sentences. Can you please write C for cause and E for effect? And after that, you are going to read this, okay?
Yes.
So people throw litter on the ground. Many animals eat the litter and become sick. Ships spill oil in oceans and rivers. Many aquatic animals and plants die. Households dump waste into the river. It is polluted. Their children have birth defects. The parents were exposed to radiation. We can see the stars at night. There is too much light pollution. Okay, so let's see. Number one, cause. All right. Oh, so you've got all the correct answers in numbers 1 to 5. Very good. Now, can you please read this?
Yes. One, people throw litter on the ground. Many animals eat the litter and become sick. 2. Ships spill oil in oceans and rivers. Many aquatic animals and plants died. 3. Households dump waste into the river is polluted. 4. Their children have birth defects. The parents were exposed to radiations. 5. We can't see the stars at night. There's too much light pollution.
Okay, can you please read this again?
Birth defects.
Very good. This one?
Night.
All right, good job. Now let's continue. Another activity. Pronunciation. Adding the suffix IC changes the stress of a word. Stress the syllable immediately before the suffix. For example, atom, atomic. Adding the suffix al to a word does not change its stress. For example, we have music. We add al is musical, so it doesn't add any stress in the word. Note, if a word can take both suffixes, one ending in ic and the other ending in al, both words have the stress on the same syllable. For example, economy, so the stress is here. If you put ic on the end part, or if we change ic here, the syllable is in the echo, economic. And the next one, if we add al, it's still the same. As you can notice, economical. So it's just the same. So listen and mark the stress in each word. Then repeat it. So we have 1 to 10 here, and you have to write the stress in each words. Did you understand?
Yes.
Let's start. You are going to listen to the audio twice, and after that, we are going to check your work, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Activity 5. Listen and mark the stress in each word. Then repeat it.
1. Artistic. 2. Athletic. 3. Historic. 4. Historical. 5. Logical. 6. Physical. 7. Heroic. 8. Poetic. 9. Botanic. 10. Botanical.
Okay, so again, let's listen to the audio.
Activity 5. Listen and mark the stress in each word. Then repeat it.
1. Artistic. 2. Athletic. 3. Historic. 4. Historical. 5. Logical. 6. Physical. 7. Heroic. 8. poetic. 9. Botanic. 10. Botanical.
Okay, so let's see if you got the correct answer. So we have artistic. Very good. We have athletic. Very good. We have historic. Good job. Number 4, historical. Good job. So as you can see, it's the same here. We change IC to CAL. We also have logical. Very good. Hold on. Let's leave it here. We have physical. This is good job. This is also 2. Number 7, heroic. Number 8, poetic. Number 9, botanic. And number 10, botanical. Very good. So we also have this same stress here. Now it's your turn to read this. Number 1.
Yes. 1. Artistic.
Mhm. Number 2.
3.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3 is historic.
Uh-huh.
Number 4, historical. Number 5, physical. Number 7, heroic. Number 8, botanics. Number 10, botanical.
Very good. You also pronounce it all correctly. Now let's continue. So here, before that, let's practice some words. So we have this one. Can you please read this?
Size,
Uh-huh. Again.
size,
Oh, this one. This one first.
size,
Again, it's signs.
size,
Hold on. It's just like this. When you read it, it's like signs. Again.
science,
Okay, good job. What about this one?
sounds,
This one?
trenches,
Again?
trenches,
It's changes.
trenches,
It's like this, okay? Changes. Again?
trenches,
Just.
just,
Very good. One more time. Changes.
trenches,
Very good. What about this one?
pollutant,
Mm-hmm.
polluted,
Polluted.
polluted, Depth,
Uh-huh.
chemical,
Very good.
resource,
Results.
resource.
Okay, very good. So as you can see, I let you read this again because there are the words that you mispronounced earlier, and good job that you read it correctly now. So for our homework tonight, I will going to check this on our next class. I want you to make a paragraph consist of 15 to 20 or more sentences about how to help or how to help the earth to lessen the pollution. How can we able to help the earth to lessen the pollution? Make a 15 to 20 sentences or more. And I will check it on our next class. Okay?
Yes,
Mhm. Please copy this.
yes, I'm done.
Okay. So, Anne, since it's already our time, we have to end it here. And we are just going to continue on our next class. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you so much for tonight and see you again. Bye.
bye.
Ha? Kaya hindi ko man alam paano siya linisin.